Hi all and welcome back. In today's session, we are diving into the powerful world of group by function in SQL. Group by functions are crucial for computing statistics, grouping rows, and filtering data in SQL. They are especially handy when dealing with large dataset and preparing reports. But before we jump into the group by function, let's take a quick look at the dataset we will be working with. The dataset which we are going to work on is a transaction dataset. In this dataset, you can find out all the information regarding the customer, that what product they have purchased, on what date they have purchased, and what has been the ship date, and all the other attributes associated with the transaction they have made on a particular date. So you can see this is the dataset which we are going to work on. In our last session, we learned how to count statistics for all rows. Now let's level up and explore more sophisticated statistics. Take a look at this statement. Select customer ID count star from orders group by customer ID. Let's run the code. Now here the new addition is the group by clause followed by the customer ID. This groups together all rows with the same customer ID, allowing us to count the number of orders made by each customer. It is a powerful way to organize our data. Now let's dive deeper with another example. Select customer ID count order ID as number of orders, count distinct order ID as unique underscore orders from orders group by, let me change customer ID to region, group by region. Let's run the code. In this query, we are finding both the total number of orders as well as the unique number of orders for each region. This showcases the flexibility of group by function in SQL. Here you can see in central region, total number of orders are 2223, whereas unique number of orders are 1175, whereas in east 2848 number of orders. However, unique number of orders are 1401, and similarly you can see for south and west. And this is how you can use group by function in SQL. Moving on, let's explore how group by can be combined with other functions in SQL. Let's do an example where we will find a category with their minimum sales value, highest sales value, and their average sales value for the year 2020. Select category min sales as min underscore sales, max sales as max underscore sales, average sales value as AVG underscore sales from orders where year order underscore date equal to 2020 group by category. Now let's run the code. This query identifies the category with the highest sales value, lowest sales value, and the average sales value, demonstrating the versatility of a group by function in SQL. You can see here for office supply, minimum sales value is 0.84, max sales value is $9,892, whereas an average sales value is $117. For furniture, it is 2.32, max sales value is $3,504, 4.9, and the average sales value is somewhere around 354. And for technology, it is 1.98, maximum sales value is $17,500, and the average sales value is 493. There is more to group by function in SQL. Sometimes we need to group rows by more than one column, and it is very much possible by using group by function in SQL. Let's do an example. Select region average sales as AVG underscore sales from orders where year order underscore date equal to 2021 group by. Now one thing you should remember, when you are using multiple categories, you should mention all those categories in the group by function, otherwise it will give you an error. Region, category, let's use order by also, region, and let's run the code. In this query, we are calculating the average order value for each region and category combination. It is a powerful way to analyze the data with multiple dimensions using group by function, and you can further analyze the result of average sales value by region and category. And that wraps up our exploration of group by function in SQL. Stay tuned for more tutorials in our SQL for Beginners series. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.